So let's go ahead and put it all together. I like that it includes everything you need. You don't have to buy extra accessories just to get it started. But yeah, let's get to it. Okay, we're back. I got it plugged in, all set up. The boom arm clamps tightly to the desk and feels sturdy enough. The setup's super simple. You just attach the arm right here to that, and then attach it to that, and then you screw in the mic, plug in that or the USB-C to USB-A right there, and you're good to go. No drivers, no audio interface needed.